White ball. Substitution ref. Referee out. Nakareg out.
2 minutes and 18 seconds.
Urbano now is rusted by Pabuna. Soriano, 8-3. United. Rebound by Pabuna. Baseball pass to alone. Marcus. Sayang. Substitution ref. Marcus out. Devini Shane. Marcus out, Devini Shane. Nice play there by Marcus. He had a rebound in after 3 points. Number 3. Back to Soriano. Soriano. First fighting a lot. Urbano aims at me. Urbano, 3 points.
Pabantayan mo yun. Magaling sa presyon.
Pabuna, the center guard is dribbling now. Pabuna. To Santiago. Oh. Pamuntik na. Binigay kay Cardama. Gandang pasa. Mga pasa, alihok. Cardama, what a nice pass to Eleuterio. Soriano.